Hello, my name is Andy Knight. I'm from WorldSkills UK and I'm part of the corporate partnership team. Certainly. Well, it's a fantastic organisation to be part of. We're not for profit, we're an independent charity, and the nice things that we're actually delivering is we're inspiring thousands of young people. Is the first thing that I really like to be part of it. But as we've been going over the last 12 years, we've also been raising standards inside education and inside industry as well. And also through our competitions and benchmarking ourselves internationally from around the world, of 80 countries around the world, we've been gathering that information and bringing that back into the UK through research and through partnership with other worlds and trying to bring that information back into UK PLC. There's 57 different skills, and it isn't just engineering technology. You know, we do construction, we do hospitality, we do IT. So we do many different types of industry sectors because we're trying to inspire young people about what they might want to do in the future. So we do a whole host of different skills to actually do that. And we're looking forward for the future skills and things like that as well. You know, we're looking at kind of like the green skills that are important for us going forward, the digital skills and renewable energy skills as well. So not only are we doing the traditional skills and competitions that we do across all those different industry sectors, across engineering, everything from bricklaying to mechatronics to mobile robotics. And unless you young people have been in these kind of mechatronics, robotics, they don't really know about them. So doing the competition, exposing these young people to that really inspires about what they want to do in the future. And all our champions going into schools and showing people that really inspires them. Well, because obviously we're looking forward for the next 5 years, and we're kind of like looking at what the skill shortage is now and trying to get that, you know, through competitions, through exposing people to these new competition sectors. But also we've got to look at what's the future skills as well. And as I already mentioned about the digital side and the advanced manufacturing side and things like that. So we're looking at skills like additive manufacturing, and we think that's going to be a really important kind of skill in the future, across lots of different engineering technology and maybe across lots of different industry sectors. They will be needing this expertise and this skill set. So we think additive manufacturing is fantastic competition we're doing, and we've been doing that in partnership with 3D, BRE, and with Create Education as the competition organising partners. And we've had industry come on board with us as well. You know, we've had Shining 3D and UltiMaker come on supporting us as investment partners. And what they're all doing is actually showcasing additive manufacturing as an industry sector. And we've been going regional heats, going through the UK, and that will all come together as a national final for the first time, a demo competition in Manchester this year in November, which we're really excited about. And we're also very excited about because for the very first time, this demo competition has actually attracted more people than I can ever remember from any other demo competition that we've ever hosted. So we think we've hit the right sector with the additive manufacturing competition, and I'm very excited about the future in November. And then also for the future, after they've done the national finals in November, they go on to compete internationally in Lyon in September 2024. So there's a full cycle, and then once again we'll be benchmarking ourselves against the best in the world with that particular competition. So I think it's the right sector to be doing. And when you first meet these young people coming to compete, they don't even look you in the eye, they're shy, they're looking at their shoes, you know, they're kind of like, but after they've gone through a cycle of competing, I've seen young people that have actually addressed Parliament to maybe 150 people, and before wouldn't even look at you before, and confident enough. Because of the training that you go through, especially if they go through the national and international training, these young people have gone in to inspire back at their organisations and bring what they've learned in those competitions back into the organisation, even with something like the RAF, who won the OBE after actually competing in aeronautical engineering, took that learning back into RAF, and that's been around over 100 years, and they could still learn from the young person who went through that competition and all that. Running a lot of businesses, so much confidence in promotions. Everyone who's gone through them has shown that, you know, once they've gone through that training, the actual growth inside that organisation and what they bring to that organisation is tremendous value, which of course is raising standards inside industry, you know, which we're part of do. So our training managers will go in and raise standards inside education, and through the competitions and through our champions who have actually competed, that'll be raising standards inside industry as well. So it's a really nice, exciting thing for the individual, for the company that's supporting the organisation that's supporting them through those competitions, and I think that's good for industry in the UK.